Hi friends, this is Janine Pettit, brand ambassador for Go RVing and editor-in-chief of Girl Camper magazine. I'm sharing one of my go-to road trip foods with you today. Lots of times when the girl campers are going someplace, getting there is half the fun. There may be 6 or 8 of us rolling down the highway, making our way to our favorite campground, and that often involves a stop for lunch. So this is one of the things I love to bring. It's all made ahead of time. Break out a bag of chips and a jalapeno lemonade, and you're gonna love that lunch. Also great for tailgating, a day in the canoe, whatever you're doing. So start with the delicious King Hawaiian little buns. These sweet rolls are so delicious. I get a pack of those, get them out of the package and lay them out, and then don't break them apart. We are going to take our knife and we're gonna cut the whole thing crosswise here into one giant sandwich. Oh, yummo. Okay, we got that going. And now, the pesto mayonnaise. Did you see our video on how to make this pesto mayonnaise? If you missed it, head over to Go RVing and look for this in their recipes. This is a favorite at the Pettit house. It goes with just about anything in our opinion. So I'm gonna lather that up because this is a carnivore's delight. Both sides. Pile it high and deep, as my kids like to say. Get that all going on there. And then, woo, nice and smooth. Now, I am just going to load this up with all different kinds of meat. I've got some salami here. There you go, salami. Now some ham. And then if you have people in your family who don't like something, you can build it half with one. You could do several different ways here. So maybe we'll just do ham and salami on that side, and on this side we'll throw on a little roast beef. Get that going there. Some roast beef. We might as well throw it all on. There we go. I got some turkey. Throw a little turkey on there. There we go. There's a lot of salt in the pesto mayonnaise and in the salami, so I'm not going to add any salt to that. Now here's the fun part. We put this all back together like so. Then I'm going to put this back in my box. What I love about the Hawaiian box there, I can open up the sides of this box, and now I am going to pre-cut all my little sandwich sliders. Cut it this way, already perforated for us. Gonna turn it the other way. Cut it going this way. One more. And now, I'm gonna close my box back up. There we go. Put that all back together right there. And then I'm gonna package this back up right in the wrapper that it came from. And when I get to the rest stop or the campground or the tailgating or the concert or the stop on the kayaking trail, all I have to do is pull this out of my cooler, break open the chips, and enjoy a great sandwich slider. For more fun food tips, head over to GoRVing.com. Happy camping, everyone.